Every now and then I like to review gear that I think is essential to have in your home studio or your office. And today we're gonna be looking at the RC08 webcam. And I think it's unfair to say it's just another webcam. This is a smart webcam. So it's actually 3-in-1. It has your webcam, it has your built-in mic, as well as a speaker right here. And the speaker sounds pretty decent. It's not as good as some of the other ones I've heard or built-in computer speakers from Apple, but I think it does get the job done and it sounds good for what it is. Now, the webcam is a 2K sensor and it comes with this nice privacy shield at the top, but if you don't want to mount it to your computer, you can always put it on a tripod and just screw it in using the 1/4-inch screw on the bottom here, and then you can use it like so. Now, the cool thing about this camera is that not only does it mount to the top of your computer, but you can also swivel, twist it, rotate it, and do what you have to do. And to protect your computer, it has like this, feels like rubber a little bit. One of the things that I love about today's technology is that it's becoming easier to use, including this smart webcam. All you have to do is take this cable here, has USB-C, you just plug it in like so, and then this USB in plugs right into your computer. And you can control the audio right from a keyboard. And I'm using my Magic Keyboard right here. And you can use it for FaceTime, you can use it for any type of web recordings that you have. It's just simply plug and play. So it doesn't get any better than that. Now, this camera does have an autofocusing system, which you will see in my test here shortly. Another point I want to make is that you can even use this webcam in vertical mode, which you can just rotate it like so. And if you hold this button on the back, it will enter vertical mode. So if you are in the market for a webcam, consider going with this RC08, and I will leave a link down below and where you can go and purchase this cam right now. So now I want to go ahead and give you guys a real life test of this Rocware 08 model webcam. All right, so we are looking at the 3-in-1 Rocware brand webcam. This is the RC08 model, and I just want to give a real life test with you here, just to kind of see how it performs. So again, it has a 2K sensor, HD, and it's pretty wide. As you can see, I'm in my room here, have plenty of space. Let me go ahead and stand up so you guys can kind of see a little bit more of the width here. You know, I can have more room to walk around. Like I said, it's a tight space here, but it appears fairly large. Use it for meetings and everything like that. And I just want to give you guys an idea of what the audio is sounding like and what the video is looking like. So if I had some type of presentation I want to give on the whiteboard here, I can, you guys can probably read the letters because it's pretty clear. Not that much noise. My light is just kind of pointing at the ceiling here. It's on its lowest setting. And then I just have a desk lamp right over to the side here. So the room is fairly lit okay. It's nothing fancy. I have a window here, have the curtains pulled so it doesn't introduce too much light shining into the camera. But I just want to give you guys just a simple test of what it's like. So I'll let you be the judge of this test here, and we will get back to the video. So if you guys are in the market for a webcam, then you might want to consider checking out this webcam here, which is the RC08 model. I will leave the link down in the description below. Go ahead and click that link and it'll take you right to the checkout page. It's your boy Young Fizz. We will see you on the next video. Thank you for watching. We out.